What's good, people? It's Bonchon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, guys, first I want to say a little something about this camera right now because
you couldn't wait to.
I could not wait, y'all.
You could have waited to dive into it. That the camera look different. You know what I'm saying? We look different. We look like we a podcast star and everything. Right? We look like we shoot on a damn movie star. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, guys, so I want to mention really quick about this new camera lens that we got so we can have better content, better quality content, and I also got this mainly so that way I can take good pictures. But now that I see like the recording is so fire, like y'all, this looks legit. Like this look, it blurs out the background, so I don't know if you guys can see, but like if the TV is blurred out.
Here,
on this side.
you can barely see what's right here.
That's like
y'all can probably see it too, but yeah, whatever this.
That's our base and stuff we can barely see that. That is so cool. I really, really love this camera. I mean, well, it's the lens actually. So yeah, I just wanted to shout out this little lens real quick because y'all, this looks fire. It looks fire, okay?
I ain't gonna lie. It looks like it's a whole podcast.
Yes. So the only thing is, with this lens, like it gets stuff like close up. So if I want to capture something that's standing right here, if I'm standing right here on it, it's gonna be like you have to back up all the way for you to get the full picture of what you want. So right now, our camera, it normally sits like right in front of us to do videos.
Shit, it looks like it's in front of us.
But it does look like it's in front of us. That's the thing. The camera is all the way on the other side of the kitchen, and we're sitting on the bar area, and the camera's all the way in the back, but you can still see like it's good, like it looks close up, like it's actually right here up on us. So I think that's really, really dope. So yeah, I just want to say that a little bit, whatever. Anyways, the point of this video, we are going to be doing a food review on this restaurant. You alright, boo?
Let me see.
Alright then. Yeah, you're gonna fall through flow. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a food review on this this restaurant. It's a Korean fried chicken place. It's called Bonchon. Bonchon. So if you guys have ever tried this, let us know in the comment section below. But after that, the food review for Jollibee, you said it's Philippines?
Yeah, Philippines.
Yeah, Philippine fried chicken. Someone recommended me to try out this chicken. I mean, well, this place is known for their fried chicken. It's a Korean fried chicken place. So I wanted to try it out. I told Javon, I said, babe, let's try this place out. He was like, all right, bet, let's do it.
With that being said, guys, if you guys want us to review any other food place, comment down below.
Let's go ahead, bring that bag over here, boo.
Slide in them DMs.
Yeah. So we are trying Bonchon Korean barbecue. Korean fried chicken. So we're gonna pull everything out the bag, and then we're gonna say what we got. So yes, this is everything that we bought. So we bought a couple of items from there. Okay, so the first thing we got is the small combo. It's what is it? 6 wings and 3 drums, and we got half and half. So we got half soy garlic, and we got the other half spicy. And then in here, we got some popcorn shrimp, we got some coleslaw, we got some chicken sliders, and we have the seafood fried rice. So in this seafood fried rice, it comes with three meats. It comes with shrimp, scallops, and it comes with squid. So we did not get squid because we do not eat squid. So we just got shrimp and scallop. So yeah, what you want to try first, babe?
What am I trying first? We'll try the burger first.
The burger?
Yeah, we're gonna get cool sauce, right?
Yeah.
Try the burger first.
Okay, let's try that one.
Well, yeah. Make sure you got a like, subscribe, and follow down this video. Appreciate a little support.
So these are the sliders. They come with 3 chicken sliders. Wow. Okay. On the sliders.
Some pickle. Pickle.
Is that an onion? Oh no, take that off. I want that. That's a big old piece of onion. It comes with an onion. It looked like a cucumber, the chicken, and it looked like some coleslaw maybe. I forgot what was the sauce that came on the bag. Is the menu in that bag? I forgot what. I think it's spicy mayo sauce. I'm gonna try. You want? Go ahead and grab
Take one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. Okay. Oh, baby, you should have ate the cucumber. It give it a nice fresh taste. Oh, and the bread is so soft. Yeah, this is it. These sliders, I don't know if they tell you.
Hey, butter. I mean, I like butter.
Oh my God. That sauce in there is so good.
I know what kind of bread. I don't know what kind of bread this is, but
This bread is fire.
it's good. I mean, I like it.
Oh yeah.
Not butter, people. Not butter. Bread is good. Bread. That's coleslaw on it? That's in there, in there?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, butter, man, I like it.
I ate all chicken out the bread.
Yeah, I did too. It's like when I bite, I'm trying to break it in half, but it end up pulling it.
I think it's coleslaw on it.
It is like coleslaw. I'm just
That's
good. It butter people, man. I don't have butter, man.
Wow.
I rate it?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
6.
6? You think I said butter? I was going to give it an 8. An 8, man. I eat an 8.
No,
6?
I'm playing. It's not a 6. It's not a 6. I'm just playing bad.
How much then? How much?
I'll give it the same 8.5.
Yeah. Yeah, it butter people, man. It could also be a 10, man. I like it. But.
Oh, that bread is so good. The bread kind of tastes like a wine bread a little bit. Okay. Next thing is the popcorn shrimp.
It's going to taste like the regular popcorn shrimp, like Popeye and stuff like that. This time I'm going to try it with the sauce.
Oh, these look good.
The Jollibee one, somebody said I didn't try with the chicken, the gravy, so.
That gravy wasn't good anyways. It tastes like seafood gravy or some type of stuff like that. So it comes with, wait, I think this is a spicy mayo. So what's the other on the, oh no. This is spicy mayo right here. So the shrimp is it's a pretty nice size. Let's see. Oh shit, that's good.
Try with this last one. What? One more time. One more time.
It definitely has like it tastes like a sushi kind of. Like the sauce. The sauce tastes like a hint of sushi.
I think I like it without the sauce.
I do too. This is like something that goes on a sushi.
Yeah. I think I like it without the sauce.
Yeah.
But but still, it's not like Popeye. You know, Popeye is crunchy.
Popeye literally all crisp. It's really good. And the crust is seasoned so good. Oh my god, that's good.
You can go on. You can go on. It's not about like the slider though, but to me, it's not about like the slider.
Slider is good, yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3,
7. I knew it was gonna. I had a feeling we wasn't gonna say the same thing.
Oh,
I had a feeling, bro. I was trying Melanie.
No, whatever. Whatever. I already had it in my head before you had it in your head.
Yeah, right. This is the shrimp fried rice. Seafood fried rice. As Dave said, it comes in squid, shrimp, and scallop. We didn't get the squid because
we don't eat squid.
Yeah, we don't eat squid. So, guys, make sure you guys can see it. Well, I'm going ladies first, man. Ladies first, man. Ladies.
This is scallop right here. Okay.
So squid would that mix up in night?
The squid? No. Yeah, it would have been mixed in. Okay. So I got some scallop on here. Excuse me. Oh, snap. That's good, man.
No, she over here take look go past. She over here take go. Like that. I'm gonna say. Let me taste the squid. That's squid this?
No, baby, that's a scallop. We don't have squid.
Oh, scallop, yeah.
He said he's never had scallops before.
Yeah, different one. Right.
Really good.
It's a different fried rice. Something
is.
like the other.
Yeah, it's definitely a different taste, but it's so good. Yeah, I can get jiggy with this. Y'all.
Bussin'.
Y'all better come and get one of these. I had bell peppers in there. Onions, green onion.
Definitely different from fried rice that I normally buy. It's nice, it's good.
It's good. You like the scallop?
Scallop, alright.
3, 2, 1.
6
7.
and a half.
6.5.
I knew we was gonna get 7 for sure. It can go on. It can go on. It not beat the slider to me.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
To me, it still not beat the slider, guys. The slider.
It
not beat the slider to me. Slider, but.
This is what they're known for. The Korean fried chicken. So, like I said, we got half and half. Half soy garlic, half spicy.
Oh, that's what it is? Like, they put half season on it?
No.
Or like one chicken is this and the next one is that?
No, like half of the chicken has the different flavor on it. So they fry it first and then put it in separate batters. I mean, different sauces. So, I asked the cashier how spicy is it spicy. She said it's spicy.
I feel like she oversay it though. She look like she can handle it spicy.
Right. So let's see what we got cooking in here. Well, this might be a spicy one. Bumbleclap!
Well, is that spicy? It's spicy? It's spicy? If me not cry, this is spicy. You know me, you have to be the first one for cry. You gotta stick to it.
Right, that's it.
You see? She probably not over exaggerated. Yo, the chicken, I'm blacking out people.
It's good though.
Everything I've changed for God. Because the more I eat,
the more
I taste the spice. Blood clot! What on there? The after effect. The after effect one.
Wow.
I know, I'm never getting the milk, you know.
All right. We got a little bit of milk, baby. Okay.
So I rate this one by one. Rate this first?
3, 2, 1.
6.
6. I gave it 7 because I like the flavor and I like the crunch. The spice is too spicy. Like, I don't like to just taste spice. Like, I can taste it like my mouth and boom.
Like, see when you said bumbo the first time, I never feel the spice. But after I keep on eating, I'm gonna say, yeah.
I hate when food is like all you can taste is spice. Like I can't do like I could taste the flavor, but then it's like the flavor is gone and it's just nothing but spice. Nothing but spice. So that's why I gave it a 7. Why did you give it a 6?
6 because the crust, it looked pretty. Seasoned well. And yeah, that's why. And because of spice, I say I never get the higher rating.
Okay, now let's try the soy garlic. Soy garlic. Okay, it smells good.
Alright, let's go.
So this one, she said it's not spicy, but it's supposed to balance out the spicy one.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, man. I feel like I like that one better. I feel like I like this one better.
I like this one. I like the spicy one without the spice. The soy got a good seasoning, but it's like it's not enough.
Flavor? Or what? Taste?
Flavor.
Flavor, yeah.
The
But let me do like that because we get the spice if you balance it out. Versus if you just buy it by itself, they're gonna put more seasoning like.
If they would have put more flavor in this one, then it would be good too. But as far as flavor, I would say the spicy one is good.
Yeah.
As far as like, I would prefer the spicy one, but without that much spice. Yeah. So you ready to rate this one? 1, 2, 3, 5.
5. I knew it was gonna say something.
Yep. Give it a 5. I want to eat some more of this one, but I don't want the spice. Yeah.
You're not gonna do this after that box food. You're not gonna do this, people.
Jesus. We're gonna have to find something else to do with this.
Wash it off with water. But yeah, people. If you guys are in the United States, look up Bonchon.
It's just around the world.
Yeah, so it should be in the United States. If you guys are in the United States, go try it out, man. You have some good food, but the rice can go on. Sliders for sure the bodies. But all them meat in the slider the bodies. The slider is the bodies.
It's the sliders, the rice, popcorn, shrimp, and then the chicken.
Yeah, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna end the video right here. We're gonna finish eating this food. If you guys like this review comment down below.
Let us know what y'all think about our new camera lens.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.